What's up guys? We've all seen dash cams, but this is something else entirely. Now here we have the new 70mm 4K T800. And forget everything you thought you knew about dash cams, because this one isn't just a camera for your car, it's a full-on security system. But the real question is, how good is this product and is it worth the asking price tag? Stay tuned to find out. Roll the intro. So let's just get straight to the pricing. For the main T800 premium bundle set, you are looking at £449.99. There is also a higher end bundle that adds an internal battery for £669.99. So these prices are a significant jump from previous 70mm models out there and puts this device firmly in the premium category. So our expectations are naturally high. Now let me show you what you get inside the box. So inside the box you will find a user manual, the main dash camera, we've got the rear camera, a 70mm branded 512GB micro SD card. This includes two cables. You're getting a longer USB-C to USB-C cable for the rear camera connection, and you're getting a slightly shorter USB-C to USB-A cable for the main unit connection. This comes with a car charger with two USB ports. You're getting a bunch of adhesive stickers, some electrostatic stickers, and a wiring trim tool, which helps you achieve a neat installation. Now there is also an optional accessory called the Hardwire Kit, which enables some of the more advanced features. So let me quickly show you what you get inside this box too. So you have a power cord, that's Type-C to Type-C, and here is the main 4G hardwire unit. It says 70mm in the middle and there is a button on top. Underneath you have an adhesive sticker, and on the side there is a SIM tray, and if I take it out to show you, this will take one 4G nano SIM card. And there is also a Type-C port, so you can hook this up directly to the main dash camera unit. And to actually hardwire, you can see on this side we have some color-coded wires with individual labels, which are GND, ACC and VCC+. And these would need to be hooked up to your car fuse box. And the instruction manual will certainly guide you in the right direction, but if you're not confident in doing this, I would recommend getting a car technician to help you out on this one. Alright, now let's talk design. Here is the main dash camera unit with a 3-inch IPS screen. You've got some navigational buttons just underneath. Now this here is your interior camera, which gives you some vertical swivel. And on this side you can see we have a micro SD card slot and a power button. And on the other side you will find your front camera, which again can be adjusted vertically slightly up or down. And here is your rear camera with a Type-C port on the side and with an adhesive sticker. And you can see on the lens it says IMX 678 4K Ultra HD. Now this is a very quick setup example using a power bank, just to give you an idea of how all of this connects up. And then I'll set this up in my car as well. Now the first thing you're doing is inserting your micro SD card. Now at the top of the camera there are actually two Type-C ports. One says DC, which is your power, and the other one says AV, which is to connect the rear camera. Then you grab the longer Type-C to Type-C cable and you connect one end into the AV Type-C port of the dash camera, and the other end goes straight into the rear camera. So you can see the dash cam is powered on and connected up, and at this point you will be following the on-screen instructions, selecting your country, your language, setting the date and time, formatting your memory card, and also a QR code will appear so you can download the 70My smartphone app, which helps you manage all aspects of this dash camera. A quick setup tip: when installing this in your car, make sure to apply the electrostatic sticker first to the glass window and then the adhesive directly on the sticker. This will protect your windscreen glass and makes removing the sticker and adhesive much easier should you need to remove it. Now here is a look at the rear camera. Now I have two cameras. The small one on the right is my old camera, which I am still currently using, so I didn't want to take it off. But on the left we have the new 70My 4K rear camera. Let me briefly show you how I wired this up. So the long rear camera cable is connected to the dash cam, routed upwards and tucked in behind the trimmings and sealing edges, leading all the way to the rear of the car where it comes out into the boot. And that is then connected to the rear camera itself, and then you have yourself a fairly neat setup. Now you can see all three cameras simultaneously in picture mode with one large view and two smaller views. If you press the first button on the left, it will let you cycle through the views, so you can choose which of the three cameras you want as the main view. But regardless of your on-screen view, the dash camera will always continuously record all three cameras at the same time, ensuring you never miss a moment. The second button allows you to switch recording on or off. The third button allows you to switch audio recording on or off. And the fourth button will take you to system settings so that you can tweak and customize the features you wish to use. Alright, let's move on to the features. The T800 is a 3-channel dash camera offering a front, rear and interior camera. A major selling point is the core technology. Both the front and rear cameras record in 4K HDR and use the Sony IMX678 image sensor with cutting-edge Starvis 2 technology. Now this is a big deal as it suggests high quality video is a priority for every angle. The interior camera is also a Sony sensor. It's the Sony IMX662, which records at 1080p and is equipped with infrared lights for night vision, and the interior camera's night vision automatically kicks in during low light conditions, ensuring clear recordings inside the cabin even in total darkness. Now with triple channel HDR, the device is built to handle challenging lighting conditions with ease. And in terms of image quality, the T800 introduces two new technologies: My Color Vivid Plus Solutions and Night Owl Vision. Both are designed to dynamically optimize exposure and reduce glare for what they claim will be crystal clear footage. And a welcome design choice is the inclusion of a supercapacitor, which is far more durable than a traditional battery, especially in extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees to a super hot 85 degrees Celsius. And one amazing feature this has is buffered emergency recording. So in the event of a sudden impact or an emergency while driving, this dash camera can automatically capture footage from all three cameras, saving at least 10 seconds before and 30 seconds after the incident. These recordings are then stored in a protected video folder to prevent overwriting, ensuring the critical evidence is safely preserved. Now there is a smartphone app to manage everything. It's called the 70My app and is available for both Android and iOS. Now when you open the app, the dash camera creates a Wi-Fi hotspot, allowing you to connect directly to your phone. You will then see a live feed of the dash camera, and with options to take a quick screenshot, switch between the three camera views. You can view the captured album, and then you have your main system settings. The settings page allows you to manage all the features, including camera resolutions, time-lapse, motion detection, collision detection, ADAS, voice control, and the list goes on. So you can basically configure all the features of this dash camera from within settings. You can also access the same settings directly on the dash camera. Now I must mention the T800 supports Wi-Fi 6 on the 5 GHz band, promising high-speed downloads of up to 40 megabytes per second. This will be a huge time saver for anyone who regularly needs to pull large 4K video files straight off the device. And the device also supports up to 512 gigs of microSD storage. Alright, so let's quickly talk about the 4G Hardwire Kit. This device draws continuous power directly from your vehicle's battery. The 4G module then provides a constant cellular internet connection, allowing the dashcam to function even when the car engine is off and outside of Wi-Fi range. Here are the advanced features that the 4G Hardwire Kit enables. So you get 24/7 parking surveillance, so the camera stays on and active at all times, even when your car is parked and switched off. Now without this Hardwire Kit, the dashcam would typically turn off when the engine is shut down. Now another cool feature is real-time alerts. You will receive instant push notifications on your phone if the camera's G-sensor detects an impact or a collision while your car is parked. You also get remote live viewing, so you can use a smartphone app to see a live video feed of your vehicle from anywhere in the world, as long as the 4G Hardwire Kit has an active cellular connection. Now another amazing feature is remote car locating and tracking. So you can use the 70My smartphone app to see your car's exact location on a map and even track its live route. And this Hardwire Kit also enables cloud storage. So it allows the dash cam to automatically upload event-based videos to the cloud, ensuring critical footage is safely backed up even if the camera is stolen or damaged in an accident. So there you have it, guys. That was the 70mm 4K T800 premium dash camera kit. So is it worth the premium price? Let's break it down with my pros and cons. So starting off with the pros, you're getting triple channel dual 4K cameras. The combination of 3 cameras and dual 4K with those new Sony sensors is a massive win. You've got built-in supercapacitors, which are built to last and won't fail even in extreme hot or cold temperatures. This supports buffered recording. The pre-collision recording is a game changer. You've got fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, which is a huge quality of life upgrade. You're not waiting around to download files straight off the camera to your phone, which is very useful. Now, caveats. Now, the price is quite expensive, and that could put this product out of reach for some people. Now, there are some extra costs involved with the Hardwire Kit, which you actually need to take advantage of the best features, and the Hardwire Kit doesn't come included in the box. So bottom line, this is a dash cam for someone who wants the absolute best, who prioritizes security and image quality above all else, and who is willing to pay for cutting-edge technology. It's a fantastic, ambitious project that pushes the boundaries of the market, but if you are just looking for basic protection, there are a lot of great options out there for a fraction of the cost. Saying that, if you want the ultimate security for your car, then this is it. So that is my deep dive into the 70mm T800. It's expensive, but it's packed with next level features that genuinely feels like the future of in-car security. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Does the tech justify the price for you? If you found this video helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.